Hi guys, it's Lab today. I got a plugin called Vocal Synth. This is my vocal here, and the plugin that I want to show you is from iZotope. So it's gonna emulate the keys, the MIDI chords that I've played. Let me play you the MIDI chords. This is the chords. Let me play the vocal. Let me bypass the plugin. Yeah.
I was rejected for living the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected.
I'm not a vocalist, but this video, it's this video tutorial is for the purpose of showing you how you use the Vocal Synth 2, this plugin here. Let me play both the vocal emulating the chords for MIDI channel. So what I did is I went straight to the MIDI channel and routed the output to my Vocal Synth channel. Here's the Vocal Synth channel. So let me play it.
I was rejected for living the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected.
Okay, if I wanna accompany the same chords, because the voice emulates the chords, so let me open the channel for the chords so that the chords can accompany the vocal, the same chords.
I was rejected for living the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected.
So let me say I wanna play another chords with the same vocal. I'm gonna delete these chords here. I'm gonna delete them all. Let me say delete. I will also delete from the MIDI the same chords. Delete. Let me say I wanna add some other chords. I'm gonna drag the Nico Cotolas. So it's chord pack. They call it MIDI chord packs. Yeah. So let me play it here first. How does this MIDI play? I'm gonna mute the vocal. Let's hear the new chords. Let me play it. Sorry about that, my CPU guys. So I want the voice to go the same. I want this voice to go the same as this MIDI.
I was rejected for living the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected.
So let me enable the MIDI. I'm gonna drag these MIDI chords to the channel MIDI. So let me play it. Let me check first. Okay, we are good.
I was rejected for living the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected. I was rejected for living the life I want.
So the vocal emulates the chords. Let me support the chords by dragging the same chords to the instrument track. I've put the piano. This is the plugin from Pro Tools. Let me play it.
I was rejected for leaving.
Let me unmute.
I was rejected for leaving the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected.
So there you can hear. I hope you understand, guys. Let me add another chords. The last chords, I don't know, but I'm just taking randomly. Let me copy both. Let me play.
I was rejected for leaving the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected.
Whew, yeah, this is so interesting, guys. The last chords, so that you can understand proper. You mustn't say, we don't understand what's going on there. So another chords, let me play.
I was rejected for leaving the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for dressing the way I want. I was rejected and I was rejected. I was rejected for leaving the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected.
Vocoder, let me play vocoder.
I was rejected for living the life I want. I was rejected for hurting the one I love. I was rejected for passing the way I want. I was rejected. I was rejected. I was rejected for living the life I want.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Ask more questions. If you don't understand, inbox me, text me. I'll explain it thoroughly. So yeah, thank you so much. God bless.